Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I will be doing a walkthrough of the planners from a brand called the Journal Lab. This was sent to me by one of you guys on Instagram. So I love to receive like planner recommendations. And in case if you have any and you want me to do a walkthrough on that, then definitely leave it in the comments below, or you can message me on Instagram. Either will do the work. So this brand has journals and planners, and they're sort of divided into kids, productivity, and self-care, as well as pregnancy. Let's For today's video, let's go to productivity and self-care. So we have a lot of options to choose from in terms of cover designs as well as the structure of it. Here first we have a 12-month planner, and then we also have a 4-month planner as well as a journal, like two in one. I like to go through the 12-month one first, and then we can go through the 4-month one. So for this, you have two cover options. One, they call it the cinnamon brown, and the other one sage green. I'm really liking the sage green, so let's get into that. And it looks very minimal. It might be suitable for some and it might not be. For me personally, I like a little bit of color, but there are certain aspects of my life where I feel simpler the better. So it's gonna be interesting to have a look. And I'm really liking the stickers. It also comes with the stickers here. I feel it looks very classy. It's kind of minimal, but at the same time, it's got like a little bit of color. That looks nice too. And here you have, it says about last year. Okay, there are some journaling prompts, which is absolutely nice to do your yearly reflections. Over a period of time, I've been doing yearly reflections from, I guess, 2015 or 2016. And slowly but surely, I figure out a method that works perfectly for me. It is journaling, but the questions I use are slightly different. But if I wouldn't have had that, if this was my first time using a planner, or if I was very new to the planner world, just used a couple of years and I wouldn't have found my system yet, I think this would have worked really, it would have worked well. Then you have the new year, new me. So this is more like forward looking and planning for the upcoming year. This is great as well. I really like how they've included journaling in this planner, because a lot of what I do before I sit down and set up my spreads is journaling. So this is great that it's included in the planner itself. It adds a lot of value. Then you have some collection pages wherein like books to read, places to visit, and all that. And another thing that I want to point out is it is like so neutral. There's a little bit of color here and there, but it's like really light. So this way you can use any stickers you want, any decorative elements, any colors. You need not like stick to a specific theme. I think it gives a great opportunity to be creative. When I sit down and do my weekly setups or like monthly setups, it's just a nice creative activity, and the bonus of it is like I get the planning done. So that's how I look at it, and it's really nice. Then you have morning affirmations. You all know how much I love affirmations. It just works wonders. So that is great too. I'm really liking this sort of the non-planning side of this planner, because that's amazing. Okay, here we go. We have the planner section. I'm thinking this is more like a daily planner rather than a weekly planner, because each page is split into two halves, and like you don't get your entire week on one spread. So this is nice this is nice for people who would want to approach your planning or your life for 2023 on a day-to-day basis. I really loved doing that in 2020. My phrase of the year was one day at a time, and I was using the Ink Bucket planner, and that was like sort of split horizontally into 2 days. This one split vertically, so I think it would really work if you're taking a day-to-day approach. Now, weekly approach is working out well for me, so it wouldn't be like suitable for the style that I plan in. Anyways, you have some more journaling prompts. I'm not really sure if this would be like a monthly activity because it says month off, and or like if it's a yearly activity. It also looks like it is an undated planner because we don't see like the months or dates anywhere. And here you have the monthly calendar view. This is nice. I think it really doesn't depend on the day of the week. Like it's not a Sunday start or a Monday start. It just starts from the first of the month, irrespective of the day. It would be good if we're just logging things down. In terms of planning, how I feel is when I look at the first column on the left hand side, my brain naturally feels like it is a Monday, so it might be a little bit difficult to plan, but I think it would work great for just logging things down. For now, in the Alicia Souza planner, I log the number of kilometers I walk every single day. So for that, it's fine. It really doesn't matter. It's just like to get an overview of the number of kilometers that, just to see a pattern. So that is nice. Then you have mood trackers, habit trackers. I really like individual habit trackers rather than like a tabular form, so that is good too. Then you have a monthly budget. It's great. It's great. It's nice that they have included the actual section, like budgeted as well as actual section, because so many, I think most of the time for your variable expenses at least, it will be different than what you plan. It might be lower or higher, but it's definitely going to be different. Then you have important contacts or info. I don't really prefer to like put this information in my planners, but it's very easy to cover up to. You can just put a washi tape over it and you can use the spread however you want to. Then you have favorite memories. That's really nice. So these are all the images. I like it. I think it's something different to what's available. It would have been like, I would have considered purchasing it if it was in a weekly like planning format. The daily one, they've taken more of a daily approach, and it is quite in detail to like gratefulness section, priorities, work, personal. I like to keep my planner separate for my work and personal. So that's the reason. But I think you can divide it into different ways too. Like you can just put a whiteout over it or a sticker and mark it as morning and evening. Or if you're working on 2 different projects, you can do that too. So that is nice. Let's just have a look at some of the features. 310 pages. It is B5. Okay, B5 is pretty huge. It's almost like the ink bucket size planner. Is it? Yeah. It is almost the ink bucket size planner, and that is pretty huge, which is great. Undated 12-month planner. Aesthetic design, gold foil accents on the cover. It would be suitable for like men, women, professionals, like whatever. Then you have style, class, functional, effective. I do have to agree with that. Then what's inside, morning information, productivity tips, idea board, last year, new year, goals, books to read. We have covered a lot of these things. It is great. You have end of the year reflection, favorite memories, stickers, and a bookmark. Okay, that's nice. Oh, they have a video. Let's just see if they do a flip through. It's really nice. See, you can get an idea about the size of the planner here. This is nice. Oh, ideal routine. That's great too. So I think every month you have those different prompts. This page looks a little bit different. And this is your mood tracker. This is awesome, guys. If you want an all-in-one planner or something that you want to keep at work, but also keep a track of your personal tasks, or that you don't mind carrying to work and like back and forth every day, or if you're working from home, I think this is great. This is great if you just want one planner. And the price too, we'll talk about it in a little more detailed. This planner looks quite good. I really like it. So that's nice. Then do we have any additional information? It's quite lightweight as well. It's not even 1 kilo. That's quite good too. Then the price, it's actually priced at 1599, but currently there's a discount going on, which is 1199. Also, when I just like opened up their website, I got a prompt saying if you sign up for the newsletter, you get a 10% discount code or a 15% discount code. I'm not really sure about that exactly, but I think it is great. Like 1200 for a size, like the size planner with so much of personal development stuff already included, the journaling prompts while doing your previous year reflection, and planning for the next year, monthly journaling prompts, as well as end of the year reflections. I think it is quite nice, and it is a pretty good price. If you have been debating about this planner, I think you should get it. Or if this is something new, then definitely consider it. Try to compare it with other brands that you might like and see, in terms of price, the size, the aesthetics, as well as the type of spreads that are included. Do you want to get it or not? And then make a decision. I would suggest to get it. Probably if the daily spreads or the weekly spreads, first of all, I would want a weekly spread, and if it would have been a little more simpler, then I would have considered it. I did do a video on the Confetti Paper Studio planner. I was thinking of getting it, but that was 100 GSM paper, so I decided not to. I'm still looking out for other planners. This one, though, now I'm remembering GSM information. They haven't given. I have seen one of their 4-month planners. This one keeps coming up on Amazon all the time. Let's quickly open it. And this one I noticed on Amazon that it is 80 GSM. So I'm not really sure if the 12-month planner is 80 GSM too. If you're considering to purchase it, then definitely message them on Instagram or write in to their contact information and try to get that in that detail, because it's really important. 80 GSM is a little bit, I think the quality is a little bit low. So the 4-month planner, though, you do get like stickers and all that. Yep. Yeah, you do get it. This too is quite minimal, and I think I like these stickers more than the other one. Then how to use the daily template. This is way more in detail. I feel it's more. Yeah, this is way more in detail, guys. Look, you have top priorities: work, family, self care, and daily affirmation. You have a few journaling prompts. It's nice. I like it. It's nice. Goals, then your timeline. What should you do? I think than the 12-month one, this looks a lot better. And because it is 4-month, um, it's comparatively it is less investment, so you can give it a try. What is it priced at? It is priced at 699, so you can give it a try to see how you feel about it, and if it works out great, you can opt for other designs for the rest of the year. Or if it doesn't, then there are a lot of websites that offer undated planners, so you can pick it up and start it like any time of the year you want to. Books to read. See, it's got a little bit more design and like color, which I kind of like it. Um, then you have my best traits, qualities I need to work on, little things that make me happy, feeling low. I'm actually preferring this one more. Just my my question or like problem is with the paper quality. You might want to go check on Amazon and sort of go have a look at the reviews there, see what people have to say about the paper quality, about the planner, and all that. That gives you a really good idea. So you have different like color options. You have the white one, which is called, I don't know what it's, stone white. Then you have sunset peach, and then you have midnight black. So it's kind of nice. There are a lot of spreads again. Like I said, the main problem for me is with their paper quality, but otherwise I feel like the way they've set up, including personal development as well as productivity stuff, the way they've merged it is excellent. It's quite quite good, which is nice. But there are no monthly spreads though. I guess there are no monthly spreads, and like I said, you can use it for a period of 4 months. So probably for monthly planning, you can use your desk calendars, or you can use the appointment wall calendars to plan on that if you're already considering purchasing a calendar. So yeah, guys, these are my thoughts about the journal lab. I totally forgotten about the planner quality when I was talking about the 12-month planner. So the if the paper quality is good, at least 100 GSM, I think this price is nice, because 80 GSM, like, you almost use it like every single day in the year, and if the quality is not that great, it is going to impact the way you plan and you consistently using a planner. That's what I've observed for myself, so I just wanted to quickly mention that. Anyways, let me know what you think about this brand. Would you consider purchasing it, or do you also feel in a very similar manner to regarding the paper quality? If you are purchasing though, I highly recommend you to confirm the paper GSM first before you make the purchase. Awesome, guys, this is the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.